Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and activate your Maya Credit. With Maya Credit, you can have up to 15,000 credit limits, a low service fee based on credit used within the billing period, and no additional documents needed. Tap on Activate now. Set up your credit. To enjoy my credit, please provide the following information. Let me input mine. Tap on Continue. Assign a contact reference. Add a person they can contact in case of urgent concerns about your Maya Credit. Tap Continue. Confirm details. So with my Maya Credit, I will get 3,000 pesos as my credit limit. I chose the billing end date on every 23rd of the month. The due date is 15 days after your billing cutoff date. Tap on Confirm. Input the one-time PIN sent to you via text message. And then click Proceed.
A few inches later.
Awesome. My Maya Credit application has been approved. It only took minutes to do it, which is very convenient. Now let me try to use and transfer some credit into my Maya wallet. Let me try 2,000 pesos just for me to pay my PLDT bill. Tap Continue and click Confirm. Let me pay my PLDT bill now. Now that I'm done paying my PLDT bill, let me check how much will I be paying by just borrowing 2,000 using Maya Credit. As you can see here, I have a credit balance of 2,161.03 pesos to pay. By borrowing 2,000 pesos on Maya Credit, I will need to pay a DST fee of 1.23 pesos and a service fee of 159.80 pesos for a total fee of 161.03 pesos. I think that's a bit of a big turnoff. The service fee is expensive. Let me pay it early. Well, that's it. If you ask me if I'm going to use Maya Credit again, it will be a no. Just wanted to show you how to activate and use it. Anyways, that's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investment banking tutorials. See you in my next video.